Hi, welcome to Progress Academy. All right, we have a figure on the board and we are told that the shaded part is a carpet laid in a room. So this is a room. This is the floor of a room. Okay, the shaded part is a carpet laid in a room with dimensions. So the dimensions of the room is 3.5 by 2.2 meters. And this carpet laid in the room leaves a margin of 0.5. So what do we mean by that? It leaves a margin of 0.5, round it. That means from here to here is 0.5, from here to here is 0.5. That's the margin. 0.5, 0.5. Similarly, 0.5. Find the area of the margin. Find the area of this margin. Okay, so what do we do? All right, solution. First of all, we are going to find the area of the floor. When we obtain the area of the floor, we also obtain the area of the carpet. Then we subtract the area of the carpet from the area of the floor. That would be the area of the margin. Okay, let's area of the floor, let's call it this. A subscript F. Area of, if you observe, you see that this is a rectangle. Area of a rectangle is length times width. So that the area of the floor will be equals to, what is the length? 3.5 multiplied by 2, that is meters, multiplied by 2.2 meters. Okay, let's multiply it. If we multiply 3.5, okay, times 2.2, let's assume that, let's take out the decimal points. I took out the decimal point, I have 35 multiply 22. Okay, I took the decimal places in 2 places. Okay, so when you multiply this, 2 times 5 will give us 10, write 0, carry 1. 2 times this will give us 6 plus that one, 7. 2 times 5 is 10, write 0, carry 1. 2 times 3 is 6 plus that one, 7. You have 770. So you put the decimal point, which is here, back in 2 places. Return it back in 2 places. So we have 7.7. So the area of the floor will be equals to 7.7 meters squared. Okay, next we are going to obtain the area of the carpet. Okay, let's say that the area of the carpet is this. Area of the carpet also is a rectangle. So for us to calculate the area, it's going to be the length times the width. Now, what will be the length of this? So the length is going to be length of this floor minus the margin left here minus the margin left at this place. So it's going to be 3.5 minus, from here it leaves 0.5, at here it leaves 0.5. So minus 0.5 minus 0.5, that is the length, multiplied by the width. What is the width? Initially the width of the floor is 2.2. So, but it left is a margin of 0.5 here, a margin of 0.5 here. So it's going to be 2.2 minus the margin left here, which is 0.5, minus the margin left here, which is 0.5. Okay, so the area of the carpet will now be 0.5 minus 0.5 minus 0.5 is minus 1.0. So we are going to have 3.5 minus 1.0 multiplied by 2.2 minus 0. Minus 0.5 minus 0.5 is minus 1.0. Okay. Therefore, we are going to have the area of the carpet will be equals to 3.5 minus 1.0 is 2.5 multiplied by 2.2 minus 1.0 is 1.2. Now, when you multiply these two, let's multiply it. 2.5 multiplied by 1.2. We have 2.5, that is 25 multiplied 12. 2 into 5 is 10, right, 0, carry 1. 2 times 4 is, 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 2 is 2. So we have 003. put the decimal points back in two places, we have 3.0 meter squared. Okay, now for us to obtain the area of the margin, area of this unshaded part within this floor, we're going to subtract this from the area of the floor. So therefore, area of margin will be equals to area of the floor minus area of the carpet, which will be area of the floor is 7.7 meters squared minus area of the carpet is 3.0 meters squared. So when we subtract 3.0 from 7.7, the area of the margin becomes 4.7 meter squared. And that is what we are required to find. Bye.